Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong warns the US about China, and is Ripple's XRP set to explode to $2 soon? This is your Altcoin Buzz news. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop our latest content. Follow us on Twitter at AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Did you know that our partners at Bybit are giving out up to $30,000 in bonuses? You also have a chance to win a new iPhone 14. Just check out the links in the description below. Bitcoin tested $27,000 on May 31st as weakness prevailed into the monthly close. As early excitement faded, traders and analysts warned that now was a make or break point for the short-term trend. Michael Vanderpump, founder and CEO of trading firm 8, summarized, "If this zone sustains the support and Bitcoin will be able to reclaim 27,500, everything looks like we'll continue the upward trend. But if we drop below 26,600, we'll see new lows." Monitoring resource material indicators had some predictions for how the monthly close could play out, saying for the most part, Bitcoin liquidity changes in the order book have been pretty subtle today, but by zooming out a little wider, we can see the ask liquidity from the 31 to 32K range is dropping in closer to the active trading zone, while bid liquidity has been laddering down, then adjusting slightly. Liquidity consolidating in these ranges should dampen volatility heading into the monthly close. The bigger concern for bulls is that bid liquidity is thinning out. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong warns adversary nations like China could ultimately benefit from restrictive crypto policies in the United States. Armstrong again warned that while the recent turbulence in the crypto markets might tempt US policymakers to write it off as an unstable asset class, doing so could see the US lose its status as a financial leader and innovation hub. Armstrong urged policymakers to see that crypto is about much more than individual transactions, instead representing a transformative technology that can revolutionize a variety of sectors. He highlighted its ability to provide creators with royalties for secondary market transactions as an example, adding, "Crypto, like the internet before, has the potential to modernize finance and numerous other sectors, from supply chains to social media, by offering a faster, cheaper, more private, and accessible platform." Through his status as a public figure and head of Coinbase, Armstrong has long pushed for US policymakers to provide the crypto industry with the regulatory clarity that could help realize its potential while protecting consumers. Coinbase has also asked for clarity from the United States Securities and Exchange Commission around which digital assets qualify as securities, arguing against the agency's regulation by enforcement approach. The SEC chair Gary Gensler had previously argued that digital assets already fall under the existing securities regulations. Armstrong added it was unsurprising that Hong Kong is positioning itself to be a global crypto hub as China looks to challenge the US's role as the global financial leader in a variety of ways, such as the recent launch of the digital yuan. Armstrong warned that failing to pass comprehensive crypto legislation could result in the US needing to play catch-up and spend billions to bring innovation back to the US, but noted that even with a colossal and sustained effort, it might be too late by then. We also just posted a video on Chinese coins that will benefit from the Hong Kong retail crypto surge, which you can find in the description below. The Injective price has gained 13% in the last 48 hours after booking some profits at the start of May. Long-term investors are again taking bullish positions on Injective price. On Friday, May 26, Injective completed its most recent token burn exercise. The weekly scheduled deflationary event saw another 5.6 million Injective tokens destroyed. Furthermore, the token burn coincided with the crypto market bounce prompted by positive sentiment surrounding the US debt ceiling crisis. By Monday morning, the Injective price had already gained 13% to emerge as the top performer in the crypto top 100 tokens. Injective has also activated the Avalon upgrade on the mainnet. The Avalon upgrade improves DEX performance, scalability, and user experience. Enhancements include the implementation of Layer 1 scalability optimizations, improvements which the protocol says will improve speed and transaction efficiency, enabling a smoother trading experience. The upgrade also sets the base for sub-second block times. This could help reduce latency and increase trade execution speeds. Injective intends to revamp its proof-of-stake delegation mechanism. With the Avalon upgrade, the project is augmenting the delegation process, providing users with more control over their staked assets and optimizing the overall security and decentralization of the network. The price of XRP rose 7% on May 30th to 53 cents as the market's attention turned towards the latest spike in XRP network activity. The XRP network witnessed a sudden increase in the daily active addresses, the number of unique addresses involved in XRP transactions daily. For instance, on May 27th, around 490,000 addresses interacted with the XRP network. That amounted to the second largest address activity on the XRP blockchain, just 3 months after establishing the record of 888,000 daily active addresses. Interestingly, the daily active address surge to a record high in March preceded a 45% price rally. This fractal may have prompted traders to speculate on a similar upside move after the latest daily active address count rise. This is primarily because of how the market interprets the daily active address indicator. It considers a rise in active addresses as bullish for the token. Conversely, a drop in active addresses is considered bearish. Nonetheless, history represents a daily active address indicator as a flawed one. For instance, the spike in XRP's daily active addresses count between November 2021 and April 2022 coincides with the token's price decline as shown in the chart. As a result, XRP remains at risk of declining, primarily because of an uncertain macroeconomic outlook that could hurt the crypto sector broadly. But at the same time, a crypto attorney who supports Ripple Labs in its XRP lawsuit with the US Securities and Exchange Commission says traders will soon experience FOMO once XRP hits $2. Deaton Law Firm managing partner John Deaton says that only when XRP does 5x will people want it. XRP currently sits at 48 cents, and it's crazy to think about how many people who refuse to buy it now are going to buy it over $1. What's even more crazy is that FOMO won't likely kick in until $2. Deutsche Telekom, one of the world's leading integrated telecommunications companies, is a validator on Polygon, the leading Ethereum Layer 2 scaling platform, expanding its activities in the field of blockchain technology and signaling support for the network's ecosystem. Following Q, Flow, CeLo, Chainlink, and Ethereum, Deutsche Telekom subsidiary Deutsche Telekom MMS extends its validation nodes to Polygon, providing staking and validation services for the proof-of-stake network and Polygon SuperNet solutions. Deutsche Telekom is one of only 100 validators on the Polygon network. Dirk Rotter, head of Blockchain Solutions Center at Deutsche Telekom, said the Polygon ecosystem is very developer-friendly and resource efficient. It's based on the highest security standards of the Ethereum ecosystem. The collaboration with Polygon is an important step for Deutsche Telekom to fully exploit the potential of blockchain technology and enable applications suitable for mass development. Deutsche Telekom also supports Polygon staking, contributing to security and decentralization of the blockchain. Michael Blank, Chief Operating Officer at Polygon Labs, said, "We're excited to have Deutsche Telekom, one of the world's leading telecommunication providers, become a validator on the Polygon network. This collaboration will pave the way for more businesses to embrace blockchain technology through Polygon and empower consumers by unlocking the ownership and autonomy that Web3 technology offers." Today, Polygon's chain already hosts tens of thousands of decentralized applications, more than 3 million daily active transactions, and $1.2 billion in total value locked. Also, make sure to check out our video on how many MATIC tokens you need to become a millionaire, linked down below. Over the past week, Litecoin has experienced a sustained increase in daily confirmed transactions. Following a record-breaking peak of 585,000 daily transactions on May 10th, the blockchain has continuously handled a range of 172,000 to 532,000 transactions per day. Since May 2nd, the Litecoin network has witnessed an unprecedented surge in daily transactions. Throughout the majority of 2022 and the initial months of 2023, Litecoin's daily transaction volume ranged between 90,000 and 130,000 transactions per day, occasionally reaching peaks of 150,000. A significant portion of Litecoin transactions can be attributed to Ordinals inscriptions, with a notable surge 11 days ago when 2.58 million inscriptions were minted on the blockchain. As of today, the number of Litecoin-based inscriptions has climbed to over 3.8 million, inching closer to the 4 million mark. It remains uncertain how long the heightened levels of activity will persist on the Litecoin network, especially as Dogecoin experiences a similar rise in transactions. Currently, there are just 11 million Litecoin blocks remaining to be mined, with approximately 64 days left until the next Litecoin halving. Analyst Michael Vanderpump says that the next few days could be crucial for the price action of Litecoin. According to the crypto trader, Litecoin must take out its immediate resistance at $93 to start its halving rally. The Litecoin halving is expected to take place on August 2nd, 2023, and at the time of writing, Litecoin is trading for $89.33. As I shared at the beginning of the video, you can earn up to $30,000 and a chance to win a new iPhone 14 with Bybit. For more details, check out this in-depth video we made on how to enter. I'll link down below. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz News Update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.